Let's wait for another 1 minute, then we'll start because others are joining. Okay, so this will be our last question for this shortcut. 7, 8, 9, and 6. One second. 9 is the value. 7, 8, 9, and 6, 7, 9.
So did you get my answer?
Okay. I got answer from right Samarth. Then Rashul. Then Zila, please try once again. Steve answer is also correct. Hemant also try once again. Pratibha is also Pratibha answer is also correct. 5, 3. Right. Tanvi also correct. Last 1 minute for this question. Please try others also. Everyone should get the answer. 535731 is the right answer. 535731. So Ashish Mohammed, everyone is having correct answer. Uddhav also. Diksha also right answer. 535731 correct. See, anyone remaining? And Akhil also right answer. 535731 is correct. Tushar also right. Tushar answer is right. Basically all everyone got the answer. Anudeep, please confirm your answer. Anudeep got the answer or not. Then Darshan, please reply your answer in chat. I'll answer is also correct. I see Akhil answer is right. I'll please try once again. Was correct answer is 535731, not 91. So I'll you can try once again. Version you've sent me answer, okay. Fine. So we'll see now this question. 789 and 679 we have to multiply. See, we'll do straight. First 9 9 is 81 1. Carry will be 8. Then small crossing. 9 8 is 72 and 63. 9 7 are 63. So 72, 63 we can simply add 5, then 13, 135, and then 8, 143. So this will be 3, and carry will be 40 now. This 8 cancel. Now big crossing, 7 9s are 63, and 6 9s are 54. So 63 and 54 we can simply add. So this will be 7 and 11, 117. This is 54. And after that we can add 56. 117 plus 56 will be 3, 7, 173. Then carry will be now not 8, 14 this time. 173 and 14 will be 7, 8, 187 basically. 187, this 7 will come, and this carry will be 18. Carry will be now not this now 14 this time. Carry will be 18. So 18 is the carry. Now we can do small crossing. 7 7s are 49, and then 6 48. So basically 97. We know this one. 97 and this 18. So 8 and 5 15 carry 1 9 1 10 1 11 115, then 5, and the remaining will be carry will be 11. At the end 7 6 are 42, and 11 53. So 5 3 5 7 3 1 is the value. 5 3 5 7 3 1 is the right answer. 5 3 5 7 3 1. Please note the solution in case you didn't get the answer. Otherwise,
So actually, by this process, this number takes more time than the normal traditional method.
okay,
And some specific numbers like this.
okay. Because see, calculation is better. We can say this value we have to add big values. We can say this value we can do in rough. We can say 7 8 9 6 7 9. You if do normal method, then it takes less time. You are saying okay.
Yes.
See, you know the understanding. See, you have the understanding. You can use any of the method. In case it's getting taking more time, they can use previous method also. It's normal method, not an issue.
Okay.
So in case values are more like 7 8 9, these are values are repeated, then normal method also we can use, not an issue. So if you do by normal method, let me solve once again by normal method. See, 81 1 carry will be 8, 9 8 72, and 8 0 8 carry will be 8, 63 and 8 71. Okay, this is the one line. Then 9 7 63 3 carry 6, 8 7 56 6 62 2 carry 6, 7 49 and 6 55. Another line 54 4 carry 5, 48 5 3 carry 5, 42 5 47. Then you can add 1 3 6 1 7, and 8 7 15 carry 1, 12 1 13 carry 1 5. No problem. See, this also we can do, and this any one of the method we can do. Timing should be less, means in one of the option is correct. Now we'll see next one. Next method, or we can say next shortcut. This was shortcut number 9th. Now we'll see 10th number. See, if values are small, we can conclude by saying no, values are small, like 1 2 3 3 4 up to 5, then we can use this shortcut. Otherwise values are more 9 8 7, some values are there more than 6, we can say 6 or more than 6, then we can use normal method also. Means it depends on you also, means in which method you are finding, you are solving in less time. That's one thing. Now see 12th number. Okay, this was 9th number, then we write 10th number trick. See, in this method now see square root, cube root, we have to see. So first we'll see here how to find cube root value. Then we'll come for square root also. But in this method, we'll see how we can find cube root value. So perfect cube will be given. See, perfect cube will be given to you, and you have to find that cube root value. See, let me start with one simple question. Then we'll see understand the process also and all the things. 12167 is the value, and you have to find cube root value in 3 seconds. So how we can do? Anyone can try. Time over. So see, this will be 23. How I got the answer? Let me explain, and we'll understand the process also. See, process is basically same. See, one cube we know, 1 to 10 cube we can write before the. See, one cube we know, one cube will end with. Say one's place is 1, cube
One.
value will end with 1. We know 2 will end with 8. See, before that, now we can write same value. See, 1 cube is 1, same value. 4 is same, 4 is 4. Means 4, if one's place is 4, then 4. 4 4 is 64. 4 4 is 64, then again 4. Q value will be same. 5 is same, 5 cube is 5.
25.
5, 4 cube, see 1 cube, let me write 1 cube is 1. 4 cube is 64, 4 at the end 4. 5 cube is end with 5, no problem. Then 6 will end with 6, because 6 is 36, 36 6, 216, that is 6 with 6. Then 9 will end with 9. 9 cube is end with 9. This we have to remember. Let me write properly in another page, because this value, no, same value we have to remember, and then this now different values. So we will see. So we know 1 cube, if one's place have one value, so 1 cube 1. Then 4 will be 4 cube will be 64, then 4. Then 5 cube is 125, then 5. 6 cube is 216, that means 6 only. And then we have 9 cube, 9 square is 81, 81 1 into 9, 9. This is 9. So all these values will have same value. Cube value is the same, means ending with same. 1 cube 1, then 4 cube 4, end with 4, and then 6 6 5 5, and then 9 9. So value will change for 2 cube. 2 cube will be 8, and 3 cube will end with 7. We can write end with 1 second. End with this value. So 1 cube will 1 is there. So 1 cube will be 1. 4 cube 4, 5 5 6 6 9 9, 2 8, and 3 7. If someone ask what is 8, if suppose value is 8, then it will end it with 2. If value is 7, then it will end with 3. 7 cube is 3 4 3. 7 cube is 3 4 3. But then first we have to remember this pattern. 1 cube, 1 is value at one's place, so this will end with 1. 4 4, because 4 cube is 64. 5 5 6 6, because 6 5 cube 125, end with 5. 6 cube 216, end with 6. 9 cube is 729, end with 9. 2 cube will end with 8. 2 cube is 8. Say suppose one's place is 2, then this cube value will be having at the end 8 value. 3 cube 27, 3 cube 27, the value number is ending with 3, so the cube will be 7, or we can say reverse. If the cube value is ending with 7, then cube root will have 3 value, and reverse order also. 8 cube will be 512. 8 cube is 512, so end with 2. 7 cube is 343, so 7 cube will end with 3. Right, this is the only one thing. And now we can solve the question. The question was first one. We can see 1 to 1. What was the question? 1 to 1, and then we can try by this method. 1 to 1 and 6 7. So I said this cube root will be, quickly I can write 23. What is the method here? See, first we have to understand last value. First, always we have to carefully see the last one's place value. 7. 7 means 7 is the value. That means 7 comes in 3. 7 3 are related. 7 3 7 3. So if the cube value, this is perfect cube. So cube value is ending with 7. So cube root will have 3 value. Cube root will have 3. It will end with 3. Correct. Now first one is this one. To identify the last value 7. This means 7. This is number is perfect cube. So cube root will end with 3. Next one, we will ignore these 3 values. Last 3 values we will ignore, and now we'll focus on 12. And we have to see what this number has cube value 12 or less than 12. 12 or less than 12. This is only 2, because if you take 3, 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27, so we'll take 2 value. 1 second, let me explain. So what is the method here? First we'll see last value. Last means one's place. One's place is 7, so automatically this value will be, first 1 is ending 1's place 7. So this cube value is 7. So cube root will have 3. 7 and 3 are related. 3 will write. And then we can ignore these 3 values. We'll ignore last 3 digits and we'll focus on first two numbers. Always we have to ignore last 3 values and we'll focus on first 2 values, that is 12. Now we'll see which value has na q value 12 or less than 12. 12 or less than 12, 2. So 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is
Zoom.
27. So we'll take 2.
On Zoom meeting.
So anyone having any doubt, then they can ask. Got the understanding? Or shall you do
Yes,
one
I got.
or no? Because 7
Sir, can you explain once again?
no problem.
So
Say,
can you explain once again, sir?
no problem.
The how did you get the first 2 digits, like
Correct, no problem. Say,
2?
let me explain once again. How we got this now value 23 from the start. We'll see. Say 2 only in this now we have two, we can say 2-step process there. First we have to identify or we have to see normal observation. 7 is the ending value, or we can say right hand side value or rightmost value or ones place value 7. So we have written here the concepts. Basically 1 cube will end with 1, 4 cube 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 9 9. This we know already, just have written because 7 is there. So 7, this is basically proper cube, perfect cube. So 7 is there, so this cube root will have 3 because 3 cube is 27, 3 cube is 27. So 7 is there. So at the end cube will have this now cube root will have 3 value because 7 and 3 are connected. If it is 3, if here it is 3, then we write 7 here. If it is 7, then 3. That much we have to know. So 7 is there in the cube value. So cube root will end with 3. That is one thing. We write first 3. The first step is over. First step is over. Now second and last step we'll see. For second last step is we will ignore these 3 values. Last 3 values we will ignore. We don't have to see last 3 values, just we have to focus on first 2 values. Now we have 12. So we have to take number in such a way that number cube because cube root we are finding, number cube is 12 or less than 12. 12 or less than 12. So which is the value? Only 2, because 2 is the number for which cube is 8, that is less than 12, less than or equal to 12. So 23. So 23 cube is basically 12167. If you want to see the values, we can check in calculator. 23 cube will be 12167. See, 23 into 23 into 23. So value is 12167.
2.67.
Right, correct answer. Got it now? So this is 2-step method. First we'll see last one's place value 7, then 3 will come. In cube we have 7, so cube root we have 3 value. It number will end with 3, and we'll ignore last 3 digits. We'll take only first 2 digits. 12 is the value. So which number will take? That is cube of that number, because cube root we are finding. Cube of that number will be 12 or less than 12. That is only 2, because 3 cube is 27, more than 12. So will not take 3. 2. 23 is the value. This was, let us take consider this as first question. Now we'll see second one. So everyone will solve as quickly as possible. 42875, because you know now the trick, because all the numbers will be perfect cube, and for perfect cube we can find the cube root very easily. Got the answer? Anyone got the answer? Right, Pratibha, Pratusha, Mohammed, everyone is having right answer. Akhil, please check 1 second. Drishi also right.
Excuse me?
Yes. Everyone got the answer. Diksha also right. Please try others also. And Pratusha, once again check, please. Akhil also try once again. Samarth answer is correct. Except Pratusha and Akhil, everyone is having a right answer. Tanzila is saying, can you explain once again? No problem. For this question, once again, I will solve. No problem. Javin also correct. So see, this table we know already, because 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 64, ending with 4. 5 will end with 5, because 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. The number will end with 6. Cube root will end with 6. And this now 9 we know, 9 cube is 729. So this will end with 9. 2 cube is 8. So 2 cube, then 8. 8 is there, so then 2. 3 cube is 27, so number will end with 7. If it is 7, then we'll add 3. Here we have 5. So this will end with 5. Cube root will have 5 only. This is the one value, 5. This let me write below. So number cube value is ending with 5. So number will have, cube root will have 5, because 5 is 5, equal value. Now, as per the method, we'll ignore these 3 values and we'll focus only on first 2 values. Same process. The first 2 values is 42. What number will take? That cube of this number will be 42 or less than 42. So 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. So 64 is more. We'll take 3. 35 will be the answer. 35 will be the answer. Correct? Because 4 is 64. 4 cube is 64. We'll take 3 because 3 cube is 27. That is 42 or less than 42. Understood? Tanzila and others? Fine. Shall we
Yes.
see next question? Anyone still having any doubt? Both the questions are perfect, no? Now see next question. See. If number is perfect cube, then we can find easily by this shortcut. See. Next one is 185 and then 193 cube root. 185, 193. In 3 seconds we can find. Correct, Mohammed. Rishi also correct. Pratusha also correct. Pratibha right. Xavier also. Pratusha, Rishi, Mohammed, Pratibha. All the answers are correct. Sarah, please try once again. Answer is not correct. Samarth, Xavier, what is the answer? Akhil, answer is not correct. So once again, Sarah and Akhil can try.
So I'm getting 57.
Correct. 57 is right answer because we have first 2-step method. First we'll focus on ones place 3. Then 3 is having number ending with 3. Cube root will end with 7. Cube root will end with 7. If number is ending with 7, then cube root will end with 3. That are related. 3 cube 27, 7. 7 cube is 343. 3. Now we'll ignore these 3 values, last 3 digits. I will focus on remaining values. So 185 is the value. 185 means 5 because 5 cube is 125 and 6 cube is 216. The 216 will ignore. 5 cube 125 will take. So 57 cube is 185, 193. 57 cube is 185, 193. Correct. So right, Xavier. Akhil this time correct. Steve also 1 second try. 57 got the answer. Right, Steve. So others are also correct. Now see next question. Very easy. If number is perfect cube, then we can find by this method. Next one. 314432 cube root. 314432. $78 Pratibha or 68. Mohammed, Rashul, Diksha, everyone is having the right answer. Sarah also correct. So Pratusha and Pratibha can try once again.
Sir, I
Others are having right answer.
got 68, sir.
Correct. 68 is the right value. Because hey, 68 is correct answer. Correct. Miss Persian also everyone having right answer except Pratusha and this now Pratibha. So they can try once again this question. See, number ending with 2. So 2 will have 8 value. So 2 cube is 8. 8 cube is 512. 2 cube is 8. 8 and then 8 cube is 512. So 2 then we write 8. We have written here also. Now we'll ignore second step is we will ignore last 3 digits and we'll focus on remaining value 314. So 6 cube is 216 and 7 cube is 343. So 343 is basically higher on higher side. So we'll take 216, that is 6. That is 6. 68 is the right answer. Correct. Good. Now see next question. Well, because this method is very easy, so we'll try to solve all the for 12 question in next 5-6 minutes. 493039. So for last 6-7 question, for every question 1 minute maximum time. Half of the minute for you all and half of minute for me to explain the answer. Right, Pratusha, I got answer from you. Pratusha first, then Prashan, Mohammed. So this now
Sir, I got it 79.
79 is the right answer. See, Pratusha can, this person Pratusha can check once again the answer. Others are having 79, that is right answer. So 79 is the right answer for this question. See, number ending with 9. So 9 basically will have 9 only. 9, then 9. Last 3 digits will ignore and we'll focus on remaining 3 digits, that is 493. 493, see, 7 cube is 343, we know. And 8 cube, see, 1 to 10 cube we know already. 8 cube is 512. So 512 is on higher side. So we'll take 7, that is 79 is the answer. 79 will be the answer, right. Now I'll move to next question. Right, Xavier and Rashul, everyone is having the correct answer. Sixth one, 6 number question. We have the value 614125. 614125, we have to find the cube root value. Correct, Prishi, very fast. Mohammed, Rashul, everyone having right answer. Steve also, Pratusha, Prativa, everyone having correct answer. So what is the value? Others can also try. Last 10 seconds.
85 into
85 is the right answer. Correct. 85 cube. Xavier, Tanzila, Diksha, everyone is having correct answer. So this is 5. So number will end with 5, and this 3 digits will ignore, and we'll focus on first 3 values. The remaining 3 digits. So this will be 85, because 8 cube is 512 and 9 cube is 729. We know 729 will be more higher value. So we'll take 512. That is 51 cube. 512, that is 85. Correct. 85 is right answer. Okay. Now we'll last 6 question we'll see in 6 minutes. 7 number. Suppose we have the value 9702999 cube root. 9702999 cube root. Right, everyone is having correct answer. Pratusha,
It's 99.
correct. Right answer. Akhil also right, 99, 99. So first I got answer from Prativa, then Trishi, then Prashan. Right, first 3 students. Savin also correct. Means everyone will get 99. Everyone should get 99. See, number is ending with 9. So this 9 will come. And last 3 digits will come, because 9 cube is 729. So for 9, 9 will come in one's place. If the cube value is ending with 9, for last 3 values we'll ignore, and remaining digits is 970. 970 will be 9, because this now 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So 1000 will be more. So we'll take 9 cube 729 value. 9 will be the value. So 99 cube is 970,299. That is correct answer. Now I'll move to next question.
Sir, can I get a question?
Yes.
430-368.
430.
368 875.
This you have to
Yeah.
find cube root. Okay. So see,
Yeah.
number ending with 5. This should be 5, and last 3 values we can ignore. But after ignoring also, we have this big value 430,368. So what will be the value? We can say, we can take big values. It was 43, because we can count 4,30,000 is the value. 4,30,000. Suppose if we take 110 cube, so this is 1331,000. So that is basically higher value only. So 3 digits. You have 6 digits. So we'll take 2 digit number. Suppose we can take suppose 40 cube. That will be 64,000. So this is actually more side because every time now we can count the value. So 35 we can take 35 for any value. We have to see the values are less than or equal to this value. So 35 cube we can try because 35 cube will have this value of less than or that value. 35 means 355 will be the value. No, 1 second. 35 or 34, any one value. 35 or 34 will be the value because it should be less than 43. If 35 will take no, so this is 42, 35, 36. Let me say 35 cube is basically, we know the square trick and then we can apply one more time we can multiply. So 35 cube is 42,875 because see then it is more than that. We can take 36. I think 36 cube will be 469.
So the answer is 355, sir.
355 only. Okay.
No, it's 755.
355 is not the answer. 447.
So because 35 cube is 4. Okay. Calculate. Okay, I did the calculation.
Proper answer is 755 because because we have to see here remaining values. 875 last 3 digits we can ignore and remaining values we can see how much it is near or far. Say we have carefully, if you notice now we have 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we have only 5, very small value, and here we had this 7 digits but it was more, so it is very near to, suppose if we take 90 cube, so this will be 729,000. 000 3 digits and then 3 more digits, but 790 is more. We can take 80. 80 will be 512, means we have to normal we can say assumptions we have to do. 512,000 is also slightly more. We can take 70 cube. Just we have to write 343,000. So 343,000 will also have be more. So between 70 and 80 this value will come. So 70, 80, 75 middle value we can take because 43, 51 and 34. So 51 and 34 will be 86. See, if we can guess by having average value, see, first two values will take 51, here 34. So 51 and 34 will be 86. 86 by 2, 43. So most probably the 75 cube will have 43 value less than or equal to 430,368. See, 75 is square we already know by our shortcut trick. What is the trick? 8 is 7 into 8, 56, 25. 75 square will be 56, 25. And again one time we can multiply with 7. So we can see here, this now 7 5 ja 35, carry will be there, but it will be less than 430,368. 75 cube if you find, then it is 421,875. That is slightly less than this 430 value, and 76 cube will be more, 438 some value, 438. So this will be 75. So this will be 75.5 will be the answer. Correct. So everyone will note this solution, this question also. Then we move to next questions. The number was more than this now, higher on higher side. So we can take these values 90, 80, 70, and 51, 34 is 86. So 86 half is 43. So you can directly try for 75. So 75 cube will give the answer. The value will be less than or equal to, less than basically less than 430,368. Understood? No problem. So remaining question we'll see in our next session. No problem. 4 questions are still remaining. 4 questions, and then some other tricks we'll see in our this next session will be on Saturday for Vedic math. No problem. Note the question, and after noting, you all can log out the meeting. Except
Noted.
Diksha. Yeah, noted. Then you can end the meeting. So
Thank you,
Diksha,
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Diksha, you can stay back. Others can log out. End the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Steven. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So Diksha, you got the understanding of these tricks,
Yes, sir, I got it.
because say two methods we have seen, and remaining tricks now, say this is ninth number, multiplication of two three digit number, then this was 10th number. 10th number question, 10th number was basically finding the cube root of a perfect cube. So this we have solved 8 questions, and remaining 4 questions
Yeah.
we'll see in our next session. Second thing, in the Google Classroom, this now all the PDFs are uploaded. So Google Classroom link I will share in our group chat, WhatsApp chat group, and then you can go through that link and download all the this some previous. See, let me show you. Here is the 1 second. 1 second. Please see, I will share with link in your this now.
In the Zoom chat.
Right, in the this WhatsApp group. Say this is the link of this Google Classroom, and here just I'm showing you. Okay, we have here you can find for your batch foundation 10th 2021 2022.
Okay.
Here you can see maths also I take maths and Vedic math both. So maths for polynomial classwork, polynomial NCERT classwork, Vedic math lecture 3 dated 5th 25 03 21. So after that now we had one session of 27th. So for both 27th and 29th I will upload by today evening. And then we have
Okay.
below see you can see Vedic math lecture 2 dated 22nd, and first one was Vedic math, bottom one Vedic math lecture dated 1503. 15th March was our first session of Vedic math. 15th, then after that 15th, then Vedic math was on 22nd, and then 25th, and then 27th also, and today was the you can say fifth session of Vedic math. And that 10 tricks we have seen, 10 shortcuts. All the PDFs you can download and practice by your own. First 2-3 questions you can understand. Any doubt now you can ask in our next session, which will on Saturday for Vedic. So for Vedic math, Monday, Saturdays 7 to 8, and for maths, Wednesday, Friday 7 to 8. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yeah, thank